Friends, here we are talking about introduction to environment setup for working with LLMs. See, in our previous video, we have seen how to use both local LLMs and hosted LLMs to REST APIs in our AI-powered arithmetic calculator. Actually, the first step in building AI applications with LLMs is setting up the LLM environment. And here, the setup process is different for local LLMs and hosted LLMs. Suppose if you go with local LLMs require installing an LLM runtime such as Ollama and downloading the required LLM to your computer or server. And suppose if you go with hosted LLMs require creating an account with an AI provider or cloud AI platform and obtaining the necessary credentials such as API keys or access credentials. See, basically, if you go with AI providers, then where you have to create API keys to access hosted LLMs. And suppose if you go with the cloud AI platforms, generally cloud AI platform LLMs needs access credentials to access LLMs. Anyway, in our further videos, we will see how to set up local LLMs or hosted LLMs in detail with step by step. Okay, thank you.